Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm in the garage today. It's bloody cold outside. It's only 6 degrees, so I'm wrapped up warm. Right, today in the garage fitting GPS to my KTM Superduke 1290 GT. I hope you enjoy. Put kettle on, have a brew, sit back and chill. Right, so as you can see, I've had the docking station fitted to the bars onto the bar mount rather than opting for the attachment that goes above the dash. So what I've done previously is I've fitted the docking station, routed the wire round and straight into the battery at the back, which is constantly live. So I wanted to do away with that. On this model, and probably on previous models, they've got two sets of auxiliary wires behind the clocks, and same again behind the passenger seat. Now you've got two options. You've got ACC1 and ACC2. The ACC1 is a permanent live, whereas the ACC2 is a switch live. So that's the one I'm going to be wiring it into. Right, so I've decided not to go for the rear auxiliary route, but instead gone for the one above the dash. It just seems easier and more accessible to get to. Don't have to reroute wires, etc. So the dash, obviously, we're just held in by three bolts, so I've removed them, and all you do is sit that to one side. And what I've found is what KTM have kindly done is they've labelled the wires. So I don't know if you can just see that one. It says ACC1 wire. So obviously the other one's the ACC2, which is the one what I'm going to go for. Right, so I'm left with all this wire, excess wire. What I'm not going to do is cut the wire to length, because just in case I change my bike and I want to obviously reroute the Tomtom again. So I'm just going to zip tie this together and try and hide it somewhere. Right, so having connected the spade connectors together, the red and black on the auxiliary 2 is live and the brown is negative. So it's just a case of tidying the cables up now and putting it all back together. Right, so we've put the clock back in place, so it's just a case of just screwing it back down, tightening everything back up. Really simple to do. It's just a case of reading your manual and finding out where these auxiliary cables are on your bike. So every bike's going to be different, obviously. But KTM seem to have thought about everything. Right, so that's nice and tight. So it's just a case of neatening the cables up now, and then we'll give it a whirl. I wasn't going to video this bit, but I seem to have been pausing it and skipping and what have you, so... Right, where am I going to put this cable? Can't just leave it flopping about like that, can we? Maybe I should have snipped the cable, but then again, like I said before, if I wanted to take it back off and reroute it, I can, instead of buying a new cable. I'm not going to video this bit. Don't want to see you watching me bodge it. Right, so the route I decided on to attach the cables was to the existing wiring, so it follows the movement of the bars. There's no wires getting caught, no snagging, there's movement. So let's power it on, see what it's like. Right, one last thing to do is to try it. There you go. Brilliant. Right, a quick round up because it's bloody freezing and I'm dying for a coffee. Right, so yeah, eliminated the wire from the battery, so there's only power now going to the unit when the ignition's switched on. A lot better. So always handy to have the instructions on board to refer to them if you need them, and maybe do a little bit of research like I did on YouTube and watch other people's videos. I couldn't find anything specific for this model, for the GT, but I did for the R, which they're pretty much the same bike really. But I hope you enjoyed, and as always, stay safe. Thank you.